Hello from the Bureau, here with your national weather forecast for tomorrow. So that's Friday, the 19th of December. So it is going to be another hot day across southeastern parts of the country. Not quite as hot as what we're seeing today, but it is going to be humid. And that's being driven by this low pressure system sitting over the eastern top end that's drawing tropical humidity across northern and eastern parts of the country, with these afternoon and evening showers and storms extending all the way from the north down into Victoria. Now there's also a risk of moderate to locally heavy falls with any of the showers or storms that do form across the east. While out in the west, heat and tropical humidity is also building, with these showers and storms developing during the afternoon just in the vicinity of that trough line. So now let's go around the country state by state, starting with Queensland. We're expecting it to be a partly cloudy but settled and dry day across the southeast, with just the risk of a shower about coastal areas north of about K'gari or Fraser Island upwards. Also some showers and storms developing through western and northern parts of the state, with a risk of locally heavy falls throughout western parts, but particularly in the vicinity of that low about the Gulf country. For Brisbane, a sunny day with morning fog patches about the western suburbs, a top of 31 degrees. Down in New South Wales, it's going to be a warm to hot and humid day, a sunny morning, but then showers and storms developing across much of the state, apart from the northern interior and the northeast. Daytime temperatures are expected to be in the low 30s about coastal areas, but then quickly grading to the low 40s as we head further inland. Now, also worth noting is that the minimum temperatures throughout the western parts of the state are expected to not get down to the mid-20s, so really uncomfortable overnight tonight. And we do have severe to extreme heatwave conditions developing across southern and eastern parts of New South Wales as we head towards the weekend. Now for Sydney, a sunny morning, then the risk of an afternoon or evening shower or storm, a top of 33 degrees. For Canberra, also a sunny morning and then showers or storms developing during the afternoon, a top of 37. Down in Victoria, it is also going to be a warm to hot and humid day. Again, not quite as hot as what we're seeing today. And we've got these showers and storms developing during the afternoon and evening across much of the state, apart from the southwest. Now, there's a risk of locally heavy falls with any showers or storms that develop about northern and northwestern parts. For Melbourne, it's going to be a taste of the tropics, very sticky, with the risk of a shower or storm and a top of 33 degrees. Down in Tasmania, we've got a few showers or the risk of showers about the southeast and the eastern parts, mainly during the morning, and then some more showers developing through western and northern parts during the afternoon, and even the risk of a thunderstorm about the northern exposed coast. Maximum daytime temperatures in the mid-20s throughout western and northern parts, significantly cooler through the southeast. For Hobart, a cloudy day with the risk of a shower, most likely during the morning, and a top of 18 degrees. Up in South Australia, it's going to be a warm to hot day, starting off with a sunny morning, then these showers and storms developing across much of the eastern half of the state, apart from the exposed southern coast and the far southeast. Out in the west, dry and mostly sunny. For Adelaide, a mostly sunny morning, then the risk of an afternoon shower or storm about the northern suburbs, a top of 30 degrees. For Western Australia, that southwestern corner, dry and sunny conditions, and then a few showers and storms will start to pop up just through the inland areas in the vicinity of that trough. So that extends from the Pilbara into the Gascoyne, the Goldfields and the Western Eucla. For Perth, however, a sunny day and a top of 33 degrees. Across our tropical north, it's going to be really active, with shower and storm activity being enhanced by that tropical low. We've got the potential for heavy rainfall pretty much anywhere north of Tennant Creek, but in particular about the eastern top end and the Gulf country. For Darwin, you've got showers and storms, a top of 33 degrees. So if you are after a more detailed forecast for your local area, you can head to the Bureau's website, the app or social media. Otherwise, we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.